is the ATM iri kucriticize independence celebrations ichiti everyone must boycott the independence celebrations just because it doesn't make sense that we are celebrating independence but tichitarisa independence yacho background hapana chatiri kucelebrata. Independence must be celebrated when vachicelebrate opportunities, the liberation they've got and everything. But in Zimbabwe at the moment, people they are struggling, people they are being forced to accept the amendment vasina kuenda kureferendum. Sarapina mashuka mudani kupana pane BBC. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Post this picture muri kuona varodza kuti pane action iri kurohwa at the stadium in the preparation of the independence celebrations. Mudani kwamuchinzi 9 days left as they are still trying to finish the stadium for independence celebration in Mapisa. Can we extend the independence celebration with another 2 years? It's very clear that these people are incompetent. They can't run the country. Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 must be thrown away. Zimbabwe needs new leaders. Post this picture muri kuona parods kuti pachiri kutombovakwa busy just like last year. Mukatarisa zvakaitika last year, the independence celebrations yakaitwa kuMidlands province yanyasoratidza kuti zvasina kumira zvakanaka kugokwe. Tiona kuti mvura yakauya yakanyatsokuexposa the current situation munyika yeZimbabwe. Kwakaita madhaka vakacelebrata independence mumvura, and now vakuuya celebrate independence at this stadium. Toona the stadium was not properly built. Now they are in a hurry kuda kuisa shape on the stadium. Kuratidza the real situation munyika yeZimbabwe kuti everything they claim kuti development iri kurohwa and they want to extend the term again kuti varambe vachita development zvinhu hazvinyatsokubatika. Panapa toona BBC yazoenda up ichiuya ichithrow away the amendment bill ichiti it must be stopped. Mina comment section medu dzavhungura aim kuti bipa musoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.